Welcome to your midday sports. We bowl off with cricket. The West Indies women lost 10 wickets for just 46 runs in squandering a tremendous start to go down by 47 runs to Australia in their third and deciding T20 International in Brisbane. Needing a hefty 191 runs for victory, the Caribbean women got off to a fantastic start, reaching 97 without loss before suffering a massive collapse to be bowled out for 143. Captain Hayley Matthews, who won a record 8th Player of the Match award, once again led the batting for the visitors with a third score above 50 in the series. Matthews, who had scores of 99 not out and 132 in the opening 2 games of the series, top scored with 79 from 40 deliveries. Earlier, Talia McGrath with a top score of 65 and Elise Perry 40 led Australia to 190 for 9 from their 20 overs. Phoebe Litchfield also chipped in with a quick-fire 36 from just 17 balls. Shamila Connell was the top wicket taker for the West Indies with 3 for 25. Australia won the series 2-1. The teams will now turn their attention to the ODI series starting this weekend. Splendid unbeaten centuries from Devon Conway and Rashin Ravindra powered New Zealand to a crushing 9-wicket win over England in the opening game of the 50-over World Cup in Ahmedabad. Chasing 283 for victory, Conway slammed 152 off 121 balls with 19 fours and 3 sixes, and Ravindra 123 from 96 balls, including 11 fours and 5 sixes. Ravindra's century is the fastest ever World Cup century for the Kiwis, who made a mockery of a chase as they soared to their target with 82 balls to spare. Their partnership of 273 is now the highest in ODIs for New Zealand. Earlier, England were restricted to 282 for 9, with Joe Root top scoring with 77. As for the first time in ODI history, all the batters got into double figures. Matt Henry was the pick of the bowlers with 3 for 48, along with 2 wickets each for Mitchell Santner and Glenn Phillips. The tournament continues on Friday with Pakistan facing the Netherlands. Led by a hat-trick from Shaniel Thomas, Jamaica's Cavalier FC defeated Golden Lion 5-2 in their final Group A match in action from the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup last night in Martinique. Thomas scored in the 34th, 37th and first half added time. Jamarlo Calvin also scored in the 14th minute for Cavalier, while Marvin Balance had put the Jamaican outfit in front with an own goal in the 7th minute. The Rudolph Speed-coached team led 5-0 at half-time. Thierry Catherine in the 51st and Wilfred Charlton in the 71st secured consolation goals for Golden Lion in the second half. The result means Cavalier, who had already qualified for the semi-finals of the competition, topped the group with 10 points. Meanwhile, another Jamaican team, Harbourview, will look to top Group B when they play away to last-placed Cibao FC of the Dominican Republic this evening. The winner of the 2023 CONCACAF Caribbean Cup will qualify to the 2024 CONCACAF Champions Cup round of 16, while the second-placed and third-placed teams will qualify to round 1. And finally, 3 matches will resume in action from the Issa Manning Cup this afternoon at 2:30, following postponements on Wednesday due to lightning. At Stadium East, former champions and Group A leaders Kingston College will pick up their clash with second-placed Hydel at 0-0 in their return fixture. Over in Group F, second-placed Jose Marti and Waterford will restart at 0-0, and so too host Pembroke Hall and Campion College. And that's it for your midday sports report. O'Shane, it's back to you.
Thanks, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm O'Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.